Hello, little explorers. Welcome to ABC Fun Adventure. Today we will learn the alphabet with animals from the ocean and the jungle. Spell letter A for angelfish. A says A. A is for angelfish. Let's spell it. Angelfish, angelfish. Letter A for apple. A says A. A is for apple. Spell with me. A-P-E-L-E, apple. Letter B for blue whale. B says B. B is for blue whale. Spell B-L-U-E-W-H-A-L-E, blue whale. Letter B for bear. B says B. B is for bear. Spell B-E-A-R, bear. Letter C for crab. C says C. C is for crab. Spell it C-R-A-B, crab. C says C. C is for cat. Let's spell it C-A-T, cat. And letter D for dolphin. D says D. D is for dolphin. Spell it D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Letters A for deer. D says D. D is for deer. Spell it D-E-E-R, deer. E for eel. E says E. E is for eel. Spell it E-E-L-E, ebro. Letter E for elephant. E says E. E is for elephant. Spell it E-L-E-P-H-N-T, elephant. Letter F for fish. That says F. F is for fish. Spell it I-S-H, fish. F for frog. F says F. F is for frog. Spell it F-R-O-G, frog. Spell G for green turtle. G says G. G is for green turtle. Let's spell it G-R-E-E-N-T-U-R-T-L-E, green turtle. Letter G for grapes. G says G. G is for grapes. Spell it G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Letter H for horsefish. H says H. H is for horsefish. Spell it H-O-R-S-E-F-I-S-H, horsefish. H says H. H is for hippo. Spell it H-I-P-P-O, hippo. Letter I for ice squid. I says I. I is for ice squid. Spell it I-C-E-S-Q-U-I-D, ice squid. Letter I for igloo. I says I. I is for igloo. Spell it I-G-L-O-O-E, glue. Letter J for jellyfish. J says J. J is for jellyfish. Let's spell it J-E-L-L-Y-F-I-S-H, jellyfish. Letter J for jaguar. J says J. J is for jaguar. Spell it J-A-G-U-A-R, jaguar. Letter K for king crab. K says K. K is for king crab. Let's spell it K-I-N-G-C-R-A-B, king crab. Letter K for kangaroo. J says J. K is for kangaroo. Spell it K-A-N-G-A-R-O-O, kangaroo. Letter L for lanternfish. L says L. L is for lanternfish. Spell it L-A-N-T-E-R-N-F-I-S-H, lanternfish. Letter L for lion. L says L. L is for lion. Spell it L-I-O-N, lion. Letter M for nautilus. N says N. N is for nautilus. Spell it N-A-N-T-A-R-A-Y, mantarus. Letter N for monkey. N says N. N is for monkey. Spell it M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. N says N. N is for nautilus. Let's spell it N-A-U-T-I-L-U-S, nautilus. N for night owl. N says N. N is for night owl. Spell it N-I-G-H-T-O-W-L, night owl. Letter O for octopus. O says O. O is for octopus. Let's spell it O-C-T-O-P-U-S, octopus. Letter O for orangutan. O says O. O is for orangutan. Orangutan, orangutan. P says P. P is for pufferfish. Spell it Pufferfish, pufferfish. P says P. P is for peacock. Spell it Peacock, peacock. Letter P, Q for quahock. Q says Q. Q is for quahock. Spell it Quahog, quahock. Letter Q, Q for quail. Q says Q. Q is for quail. Spell it Quail, quail. R is for rainbow fish. Spell it Rainbowfish, rainbow fish. Letter R, rabbit. R says R. R is for rabbit. Spell it Rabbit, rabbit. Letter S for shark. S says S. S is for shark. Spell it Shark, shark. Letter S for snake. S says S. S is for snake. Spell it Snake, snake. Letter T for turtle. T says T. T is for turtle. Spell it Turtle, turtle. Letter T for tiger. T says T. T is for tiger. Spell it Tiger, tiger. Letter U for unicorn fish. U says U. U is for unicorn fish. Let's spell it Unicornfish, unicorn fish. Letter U for umbrella bird. U says U. U is for umbrella bird. U says U. U is for umbrella bird. Spell it Umbrellabird, umbrella bird. Letter V for vampire squid. V says V. V is for vampire squid. Spell it Vampiresquid, vampire squid. Letter V for vulture. V says V. V is for vulture. Spell it Vulture, vulture. W for wabagone shark. W says W. W is for wabagone shark. Let's spell it Wobbegongeshark, wabagone shark. Letter W for whale. W says W. W is for whale. Spell it Hale, whale. Letter X for X-ray fish. X says X. X is for X-ray fish. Spell it Xrayfish, X-ray fish. Letter X for X-ray fish. X says X. X is for X-ray fish. Spell it Xrayfish, X-ray fish. Letter Y for yellow tan. Y says Y. Y is for yellow tan. Spell it Yellowtang, yellow tan. Letter Y for yak. Y says Y. Y is for yak. Spell it Yak, yak. Letter Z for zebra shark. Z says Z. Z is for zebra shark. Spell it Zebrashark, zebra shark. Letter Z for zebra. Z says Z is for zebra. Spell it zebra. Wow, you learned the ABCs from A to Z. Great job, keep practicing and see you next time for another fun adventure. Bye-bye.